let us go pack up my life. Today is officially day 1 of the moving process. I am going to be wrapping most of my things. My tables are made of glass, so they're very fragile. I'm also going to wrap my couch because I do not want it to get dirty, even though I have slip covers on. Last but not least, my TV. I'm not going to touch my TV until the last day. Anyway, love dreams, let us go pack up my life. That sounds so surreal. I got some boxes a while ago. These are not very big because, do I have a reason? I don't have a reason. Let's see. Oh, I think this is perfect. This is where I'm gonna put my stationery, everything that has to do with my work desk, my crochet things. Wow, I have a lot of things, hey? I also want to put away my rug. I think it's such a big piece that I will feel like I'm doing something if that is removed. Also got this storage box situation. It also has wheels. Does it have wheels? I don't think this one. What? Oh, it does. For my glassware, got some wrapping paper. I might need more of this because I want to wrap my couch and my tables. This is actually not going to be enough. We got some sellotape. I'm gonna listen to Debbie. Rain isn't over. Let me repeat falling into place. This is my future. This is my life.
Like, do you understand?
I get you.
Your emotions invoke that, you know?
I don't want to get deep. But our minds are so beautiful. Morning, love beans. Guys, moving is so exhausting. I need a kickstart to my day. I'm so tired. Okay, let's get it, B. Let's get it. My iPad died, guys.
Oh, listen, I'm gonna do it for you. Yes, we're starting to move up. First, just forever is never to be for me. Look at this. But recently I'm gonna adjust and like find a new routine.
This is the progress from yesterday, love beans. My tables, some of my living room essentials. That is pretty much it. There's a mess on my couch, which I'm gonna deal with today. It's starting to dawn on me that I'm moving out of this place and I'm getting emotional. Love beans, let's make some tea and start unpacking my kitchen cabinets. Oh, where's my tea? At this point, I know you guys are gonna judge me, but this is how I drink my 5 roses, okay? I love powdered milk. I'm not a fresh milk girl, okay?
Last piece of bread. I'm gonna eat this one there. A water bottle. She's pretty. Picture more with the going on right around the corner. So, to the party. You guys are so cute. Oh, that's fun. I really like this band. Okay. Is there a lot of cute guys in the world? Yeah. Thanks.
It is 28 minutes past 3. We've made a lot of progress in the kitchen. I just need to wash some of my containers and pack them, and then we'll be done with the kitchen. We're gonna be moving on to the bedroom. I'm gonna sleep on my couch tonight because I'm gonna disassemble my bed. I'll wrap up the couch tomorrow morning. Everything else I'm gonna do today. Have a very exciting meeting in literally a minute. Let us do that. Hi Natasha, how are you?
I'm well, thank you.
I'm good, thank you. I'd like to cancel my Wi-Fi subscription.
Can I please have the proper number linked to your account, please? Right, okay, just hold up for me.
No worries. Just needed to cancel my Wi-Fi. I think I'm actually gonna use this Wi-Fi again. The service was so good. I'm so tired. tired. Crush is gonna come and help me, so he's gonna wrap the rest of the bed. Honestly speaking, the mattress to everything else. I'm just gonna do my toiletry and my makeup, and yeah, because I want that organized in a very specific way. Good morning, lovelies. It is officially the day when I move out. I'm not sure if I told you guys this, but I'm moving all my furniture to the storage unit because I haven't found a new apartment yet. I had already extended my lease. I just don't want to keep living here knowing that I've outgrown the space basically. So I'm going back home for I don't know how long until I find an apartment. I've been viewing apartments, but haven't fallen in love with an apartment. I also just really want some time off. I just want to unplug and just be home for a while. Things. There are just a lot of things that I also want to do. In order for me to do them, I just need to be off. It's actually such a blessing to have a home that is also a safe space. When everything gets too much, in order to quiet down the noise, you can just always pack your bags and just go home. And I think that is just such a blessing, just a realization of how much my family and just home means to me. I'm very excited. I'm also just excited to spend time with my mom, my dad, my grandmother. I'm so excited to go home. Like, I don't think you guys understand. Go, baby, go. You're doing well. I got a lock for my storage unit. I think we're getting KFC.
Coffee, not KFC.
Hey, health freak. But baby, I'm hungry. Can you request for your egg to be a certain way?
Most probably.
Can I please have a medium egg? Should it be coffee? Can I have tea? I don't think they have rooibos in it. But oh my god, or chai.
If I'm gonna chai.
Then I'll decaf. Okay, then yeah. But only if they don't have.
What's chai?
Yes.
Hey.
You choose between kepi juice or coffee.
Amaqanda wakho, can we say it's sofuna njani?
Actually, just be like, amaqanda aphekwa imchini buti. Asiyithi siphengayo amaqanda lawa.
Thank you very much.
forgot the breakfast breaking. Guys, I'm so sad. They didn't put in the spice. Like, I get KFC for the spice. They never give me spice, love beans. Just a girl in the boy world. Second load. I think we're gonna do 2 loads with the van. So
To better avenues and stuff.
I will. We've officially moved out. What would you rate my first apartment out of 10?
Perfect 10.
A perfect 10. I had the best landlord, and I think she's a bit older than me, a little bit older than me, but it's just so inspiring. But yeah, love beams.
I also want to say thank you very much for taking good care of the unit.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure.
The best for you for the future. I hope it is nice in the other unit.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm saying your baby's so cute. He was just showing me pictures of your baby. I think I'm best friends with my landlord.